Oh my god, what did I just watched? This series is literally brain freaking genius. It starts with a dead body and ends with completely blowing your mind off. So I'm talking about The Art of Sarah, a K-drama which is available in Netflix. It's a series of 8 episodes, each episode on an average of 30 to 40 minutes. So समझ लो आपका दिन का 7 से 8 घंटे का investment है. It's a perfect binge watch for your weekend if you guys have not yet watched the series. And yes, you can watch with your family because there are absolutely no bold scenes and no foul languages used in the series. So कहानी शुरू होती है सारा किम के dead body से, which is found in a drainage canal. And then comes the entry of a detective who starts investigating about the murder. He starts with the investigation of finding who murdered Sarah Kim, but later on, instead of finding who's the killer of Sarah Kim, he starts digging the life of Sarah Kim. At first you will feel कि यार ये डिटेक्टिव क्या कर रहा है, ये मर्डरर को ढूंढने के बदले में सारा किम के बारे में क्यों पता लगा रहा है, एंड जस्ट टेल अस हु इज द मर्डरर. एंड बूम, 2-3 एपिसोड के बाद the story flips completely. You will soon or later realize that this is not just a murder mystery. It's about identity, it's about manipulation, it's about secrets and layers inside layers and lots of layers. हर episode के बाद आपको लगेगा wait, what the hell is going on? By the last 2 episodes, your brain will literally go into overdrive. Now what makes the series special is that the series is not loud, it's not flashy, but it plays extremely smart. The storytelling slowly builds up and then it will hit you hard with an unexpected twist. Every character feels connected to something big. You will initially start with this series asking a question, who killed Sarah Kim? But by the end, you will question almost everything. At first, you will feel that it is just a murder mystery, and then later on, you will come to know, oh my god, this is about a con artist, and then by the end, mind-blowing twist. Now talking about the plus point of the series, in fact, it's one of the series which I've watched, which has majorly only plus point, and I have barely any negative points to talk about this series. So chalo, मैं बताती हूँ आपको what are the plus point about the series and why you guys should watch the series. It's a multi-layered, intelligent writing, strong performance, especially the lead cast. Second half is super gripping. As the story starts unfolding, it will keep you tied up. आपको बांध के रखेगी end तक ये series and आपको जानना होगा कि क्या चल रहा है, who killed Sarah Kim and what is happening in the series. And you will feel very connected with all the characters. Exceptionally brilliant script, amazing direction, screenplay is amazing, and the story is well written, well directed, and with amazing twist. Now talking about the minus point, there are hardly any, but I have to mention this. थोड़ा lengthy लगा मुझे. They could have cut short this and made it little shorter. 8 episode तक खींचने की जरूरत नहीं थी. They could have made it a sweet 6 episode. 6 episode में खत्म हो सकता था. थोड़ा lengthy लगा, but इसके बावजूद भी ये सीरीज आपको बिल्कुल भी बोर नहीं करेगी. Overall मुझे ये सीरीज बहुत ही अच्छी लगी. No wonder there is so much of hype about the K-drama and Korean movies. The quality is top tier, man. I must say. To be honestly saying, Korean drama knows how to tell a story with layers and layers and layers in it. So guys, if you like watching crime thrillers which mess with your mind, then this is a must watch series. I would give a 4 out of 5 for the series. कुछ नहीं है देखने के लिए तो weekend में जरूर binge watch करके देखना. एक बैठक में खत्म कर दोगी ये series. And trust me, you will thank me later for recommending you guys or giving you a review about this series. So that's it guys for this video. If you guys like my reviews or my videos, please do like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And हाँ, वो bell icon को दबाना भूलना मत. Otherwise, how will you guys come to know when I upload my latest video? So take care guys. See you in the next doodles.